गिलहरी इज स्क्विरल. एक बंदर पेड़ पर था. There was a monkey who was sitting. I will quickly review. If you have any question, you can ask me.
Okay, teacher.
So there was a monkey who was sitting on the tree. बंदर की पूंछ बहुत लंबी थी. Monkey's tail was very long. इतनी लंबी थी कि जमीन तक लटक रही थी. It was so long. It was so long that it was touching the ground or floor. We can say जमीन as ground or floor. जी, erase it. एक गिलहरी जमीन पर उछल कूद कर रही थी. There was a squirrel who was jumping on the ground. See, this squirrel is jumping on the ground. Okay, then we have अचानक उसे पूंछ दिखाई दी. Okay, suddenly उसे is here is referring to the squirrel. उसे is suddenly she looked at the tail. उसने सोचा, she thought, यह झूला कहाँ से आ गया. She is thinking, squirrel is thinking, from where did we get this swing. थोड़ी देर पहले तो नहीं था. A little bit before. थोड़ी देर पहले is a little bit or what we say, थोड़ी देर पहले, how do we say, do you know that? थोड़ी देर पहले.
Thodi there is sometime.
Sometimes, yes. Sometimes before it was not there. So वह पूंछ पर चढ़कर झूलने लगी. So she started hanging. She started swinging on the tail. बंदर को गुदगुदी हुई. बंदर started feeling tickling. So when squirrel started swinging on her tail, it felt tickling to the monkey. उसने नीचे देखा. So here उसने is referring to the monkey. He saw, he looked down. He looked down. वह हंसकर बोला. He laughed and said. हंसकर बोला is laughed and said. बहन गिलहरी, sister squirrel, यह क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing? मुझे गुदगुदी हो रही है. I am feeling tickling. मुझे is I, हो रही है am. I am feeling tickling. गिलहरी चौंकी. Okay, गिलहरी is shocked now. गिलहरी squirrel is shocked. बंदर भैया, monkey, brother monkey, is it you? यह तुम हो? Is it you? मैं तो तुम्हारी पूंछ को झूला समझकर झूल रही थी. Oh, I was thinking that it's a swing and I was swinging on that. Last नहीं हुआ अभी तक. हाँ, ठीक है, तो हम लोग नहीं जाएंगे कहीं भी इसके बाद. कर लो अपने मन से. मैं तो तुम्हारी पूंछ को झूला समझकर झूल रही थी. I thought it's a swing and I was swinging on that. बड़ा मजा आ रहा था. So it was so much fun. It was so much fun. और गिलहरी हंसती हुई पेड़ की डाली पर चढ़ गई. So laughingly, uh, squirrel jumped on the tree. What is it? She jumped over the tree. So we discuss this story, or we can say
Teacher,
short. Yes.
can I say the story?
Yes. So gappe is gossip here. So shall I write? Actually, can you switch on the camera, because I feel, yeah, good job. Yes. So yeah. So we will do. Okay. Gappe here is gossip. You do gossip with someone, your friends. So as per this chapter, we have to do gossip. Okay. Hmm. हाँ, वो चैप्टर अभी तो बुला रही थी 15 मिनट से तुमको मैं. Okay, here actually these sentences are revision of the paragraphs we did in that chapter. So बंदर की पूंछ लंबी थी, इतनी लंबी जैसे सड़क. Okay, so here sadak is a new word. So this word is sadak. Is it this? It's not shiny, na? This board. Near to that word, if you don't know. Sadak is road. So road will be so long. It is that long that it never ends. Sometimes some road does not end. So that's why it is comparing with the road. So here next para. Okay. Next para is चूहे की मूंछ इतनी घनी थी. So मूंछ is mustache.
Mustache.
Yes. And घनी थी is so thick. Ghani is a new word. Ghani is thick, or we say dense. Dense. We say dense jungle, deep jungle, like that we say. So ghani thi, itni ghani thi. It was so dense, so thick. Itni ghani thi, jaise. We need to write one more word here. So
Teacher,
yes.
can you repeat the meaning of dhani again?
Yeah, ghani is dense or thick. Ghani. So what do we say? Dense. Dense is what? We can write jungle here. Jaise jungle. In this empty space, you can write jungle. Jungle, how do we write? In Hindi we write j, an की मात्रा g, l, jungle. Also called in English jungle. So here चूहे की मूंछ इतनी घनी थी, इतनी घनी थी, इतनी घनी थी. 3 times it is saying it. The rat, the mouse mustache is so dense, so dense, so dense, like a jungle. So we wrote in the empty space, we are writing jungle here. So next one is भालू इतना मोटा था, इतना मोटा था, इतना मोटा था. So bhalu is bear. Bear is so fat, so fat, so fat. Like, what is so fat? So much fat? What can we compare with so fat? Can you guess some word?
I don't know, teacher.
Okay, I'll tell you. So, okay. Mota is fat. You can write mota.
What is the meaning of mota, teacher?
Mota is fat. Mota is fat. Fat. So we can compare some gubbara. Gubbara is balloon. So comparison word is mota, and the empty is in the fat, and gubbara is balloon. So sometimes if we see bear, it looks like a balloon, right? It looks so fat. Yeah. So here in the empty space, you'll write gubbara. Gubbara. This one. Is it fine?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, gubbara is balloon.
Teacher,
Yes.
is it gubbara or gubbara?
Gubbara. So here you have a different kind of thing. So here ba we have writing half. One ba is half, so there's no standing line for one ba. And one ba is full. So we have written complete ba. B wala ba. So gubbara. Adha ba, full ba, then aki matra ra. Gubbara. How do we say pronounce this word?
Gubbara.
Gubbara. Ba. Gubbara.
Gubbara.
No, gubbara, bara. Gubbara. Yes.
Gubbara.
Yes. Good. Then next word. You did this one? You done?
I'm not done yet.
Okay, done. Finish. Then next we'll do.
Teacher,
Yes.
what is the word for the first paragraph? Right in the same paragraph, the blank.
भालू इतना मोटा था.
Yes.
हाँ, इतना मोटा था जैसे गुब्बारा. गुब्बारा मोटा था वाला गुब्बारा. नेक्स्ट वी हैव नॉट डन येट. ऊंट is camel. We have not done ऊंट वाला. So we have done till 2 words only. Okay. Shall I move next?
Yes, teacher.
Next is ऊंट. ऊंट is camel. Do you know ऊंट is camel?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So ऊंट इतना ऊंचा था. ऊंचा is ऊंट. How it looks like? So tall. It was so on height. इतना ऊंचा था. It was so tall. ऊंचा we can say here tall. Again. ऊंचा. ऊंचा. ऊंचा is tall, or we can also say height. Height. ऊंचा. ऊंट इतना ऊंचा था. इतना ऊंचा था. इतना ऊंचा था जैसे. What we can compare with so much height? What is there? Some
Ucha.
building. ऊंचा is. Some buildings are so heighted. It will be so tall. Few buildings. So that is what we say.
Ucha.
इमारत. हाँ, ऊंचा is जैसे. So ऊंचा is a word. Like a camel is so tall. So we have to compare same which is so tall. So camel like tall. So building. Building will be so tall, right?
Yes.
And camel also so tall. So we say जैसे इमारत. Imarat is a new word. It's called building. So we have imarat. We are comparing camel height with a building height. So ऊंट इतना ऊंचा था. इतना ऊंचा था. इतना ऊंचा था जैसे इमारत. In the empty space you have to write imarat. Okay. Two. Okay. You are done? Next is.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So we are moving to the next sentence. Is चूहिया. चूहिया इतनी छोटी थी. So चूहिया is mice. The female version of mouse is mice. You know that? So
Yes,
चूहिया.
teacher.
चूहिया इतनी छोटी थी. छोटी is very small. इतनी छोटी is very small. The mice is so small, so small, so small. जैसे is like kern. Kern is like small dust particle. Do you know that? Small dust particle?
No, teacher.
Sorry? What did you say?
I didn't know that.
Okay, you don't know. There will be sand particles, very small. You play in sand. So you will see the very small sand particle or snowflakes.
Yes.
Snowflakes will be so small, right? Small.
Yes.
If you take one dot, it will be like this. So we are comparing rat with this kern. In Hindi, we say if any particles like this is called kern. Kern is particle. You can write here in the empty space, you can write kern. You are confused? Kern is actually something full. So चूहिया इतनी छोटी थी, जैसे sand, जैसे particle. Yes.
I can't see the board a little bit. Can you move your screen in there?
Okay. It's same. It's the same. Like I didn't move anything. It's shiny.
Now it's fine.
Oh, it's fine. Okay. So kern, you need to write kern. This particle. So the sentence here is चूहिया इतनी छोटी थी जैसे kern. Next word is कुत्ते की पूंछ इतनी टेढ़ी थी जैसे. So if you see the kutta is dog. So here, do you know kutta is dog? No?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So kutte ki poonch. So if we see dog's tail, it is so twisted, circle or something. It is not. It is never straight. So the dog's tail is so tedhi is not straight. टेढ़ी थी. जैसे what is so टेढ़ी? Do you know anything that is so twisted, so much twisted?
Yes, teacher.
Like
Uh,
Any food that you can think? Any food, sweet dish? It will be round and round like this.
Round and round.
Yes, sweet dish. It is sweet. Not banana.
I don't know about the sweet dishes.
Yeah, it's there. You know that. The word what I'm talking about. It's जैसे jalebi. Jalebi will be not. It is never straight. It always twisted. You've seen jalebi? You eaten jalebi?
I never ate jalebi, but I saw jalebi.
Okay, fine. So jalebi is the sweet dish. So in the empty space, you need to write jalebi. Next time when you go to India, you must try jalebi. We don't get it here. So, okay. कुत्ते की पूंछ इतनी टेढ़ी थी, इतनी टेढ़ी थी, इतनी टेढ़ी थी जैसे जलेबी. So now the last sentence is कोयल की. Koyal is a bird. You know that koyal is a bird?
Yes, teacher.
So koyal, why koyal is famous for? Why it is so much famous? For its,
Because it is singing.
yes. So its sound is so sweet. That's why koyal is famous for. So so here that's what the sentence says. कोयल की आवाज. So sound is आवाज in Hindi. So in the empty sentence here, कोयल की आवाज. 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 Sound. इतनी सुरीली. Now the next word will be Surili. Surili is so sweet. Surili. आवाज सुरीली है. Means if we like somebody आवाज, we sound the way they speak. So we say, let's suppose, do you know any singer? Okay, you also sing, right? Shanmita, we can say Shanmita's voice is so sweet और सुरीली है. Shanmita की आवाज सुरीली है. We can say that.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah. So somebody सुरीली is we relate to the voice. Sweet. सुरीली है. So this you will write in the कोयल की आवाज. The third word is कोयल की आवाज. Here you write आवाज इतनी सुरीली. Did you write आवाज?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Next word you have to write itni. After that itni surili. Did you write surili?
Yes.
Okay. Surili thi. Again you have to write itni surili thi. You have to write itni surili thi. Three words you have to write. कोयल की आवाज इतनी सुरीली थी। टीवी के नीचे नहीं है। जैसे चीनी। After you have to write जैसे चीनी. Shall I write for you? What did you miss?
What is the first of जैसे?
जैसे चीनी. Or before जैसे?
Yes.
Okay. 1 minute. I will write it. See, you have to write. This कोयल की. So there's a after की there's a empty space. So here we wrote आवाज. You wrote that one. Then we have to this empty, but then itni is there. Itni. Then there's an empty space. So we have to surili thi. Surili thi. So one more time we have to write same thing you have to repeat here. Itni surili thi. Thi. Here again you have to write jaise. So in this empty space, so here, see my screen here. Itni surili thi. You wrote surili. Then after thi, this one, you have to write this sentence. Itni surili thi. Jaise. Jaise. Empty space is there, so you have to write chini. Chini is sugar. You will use this one. Chini is sugar. So because we wrote sugar here, so we have to change this surili word to meethi. Meethi. Right? Meethi. Surili or meethi. Meethi. Meethi is again sweet. We also write surili, but we are comparing here with sugar, so you have to write surili. Meethi. You are able to follow?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So this sentence completed. कोयल की ओके कोयल की आवाज इतनी मीठी थी. Then after थी again we have to write इतनी मीठी थी जैसे चीनी. So sugar is so sweet. So it's the कोयल voice is so sweet. It's like sugar. So we will move to the next page.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now the word is gudgudi. Gudgudi is tickling. Start to Anshi, again I will not help you. I'm enjoying this one. ठीक है 11 o'clock. हाँ तो फ्री टाइम में क्लास करना है ना. 1 minute. Okay, गुदगुदी is tickling. Then we have कहानी में बंदर को गुदगुदी हुई. So कहानी is story. So in story, बंदर is monkey. Monkey felt tickling. कहानी in the story, monkey felt tickling. अपने दोस्त को गुदगुदी करो. So it is saying do tickling to your friend. So do you do tickling to someone?
Yes, my brother.
Yeah. So it is saying do tickling to your dost is friend here. So we say you can do tickling to anyone. Then it is saying where do you tickle? On the stomach, like this we do, on the stomach, on the back, or on the neck, on the hand, on the leg, feet behind there will be, we do tickle, right? So it is mentioning where and all we do tickle, so it happened. So next is kya hua, what happened. Kya hua is what happened. अब खुद को गुदगुदी करके देखो. अब क्या मीन्स अब क्या हुआ, अब खुद को गुदगुदी मीन्स इफ यू डू सेल्फ टिकलिंग एनीथिंग हैपेंस. You try yourself.
No.
Nothing happens, right? So somebody else, when they do somebody else tickle you, that time only tickles happen. So that is the this sentence is saying that only to check whether how tickles happen. You want the meaning for all? You want
Yes,
to write?
teacher.
Okay, write it. First sentence is कहानी में बंदर को गुदगुदी हुई. So in story, monkey felt tickling. अंशी वहाँ नहीं बैठो, वहाँ ठंडा रहता है, इधर बैठो. Monkey felt tickling. In story, monkey felt tickling. Next sentence is do tickling. No, tickle your friend. Next sentence is अपने दोस्त को गुदगुदी करो. So it meaning is tickle your friend. Tickle your friend. So it is saying next after that it is saying where and all you will do tickle. So it is saying पेट पर. Pet is on the stomach, or you can say belly, on the belly. So first is पेट पर is on the belly. On belly also you can write on belly. On belly. On the back. Next is पीठ पर is back. पीठ पर is back. गर्दन पर is on neck, on the neck. Then हथेली पर is palm. हथेली पर is palm. तलवे पर is feet. Feet. So you wrote stump on the belly, on the back, on the neck, palm, then feet. You wrote all of them?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So it is saying kya hua. Kya hua is what happened. He's laughing. Your friend will laugh when you do all these things.
Yes.
Okay. So next sentence is अब खुद को tickle करो. Means now tickle yourself. The next sentence meaning is now. Ab is now. Tickle yourself. Now tickle yourself. Next after that अब क्या हुआ. अब क्या हुआ will be now what happened. Question. Now what happened. The last sentence.
Tickling.
Yes. So just yes, you have to discuss that. So that is this sentence, this paragraph meaning is that only. So we will. You are done till here.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So next is क्या करोगे. The red one is क्या करोगे. करोगे is doing. So we have क्या. क्या is what. So what will you do? What will you do? The question is what will you do? What will you do? So the situation will be mentioning in the following sentences. So we have a situation. गिलहरी ने बंदर की पूंछ से झूला झूला. So तुम इन चीजों से क्या क्या करोगी करके दिखाओ. So you understand this question?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, you understand it? Okay. So can you tell what is the sentence meaning? What do you have to do? So, okay, I'll tell. गिलहरी ने बंदर की पूंछ पर झूला झूला. This is clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So तुम इन चीजों. So we have they have given following few things. So we have to do what we will do. What you will do with the giving with the following things. Do and show. So we have rumal. So rumal is a handkerchief. So what do we do with the handkerchief?
We clean with it.
Yes. So when we sneeze, we cover our mouth like that.
Yes.
So it is just, you don't have to write. We just have to do. And one thing is that when we sneeze, we cover our mouth. And also we can play hide and there's a game. Do you know, we close with the handkerchief, we close our eyes like this. You know that game?
Yes, teacher.
So we can say play with the handkerchief. So first word is rumal and next word is pencil. So pencil, what do we do?
Pencil, we write.
Yes, we write in exam or we can draw something, right?
Yes.
So next is futta. Yeah, ruler. Futta in Hindi, it is called in Hindi, and in English we say ruler. So what do we say? What do we do with ruler?
We know which centimeter we want to do and trace it.
Yes. So we can trace a given measurement. So that is one thing, and also we can scare someone, some kids with the scale. Okay, don't do, like sometimes some teacher or sometime mom also will do.
Yes.
If I, yeah, so for that, to scare someone, with the scale. So two things that also. So this you want to write, but it is just to show what you can do with these things, with